follow me? Why don't you follow me? Follow me. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. It's been 4 years since I've been doing YouTube. You got Rosetta. Thank you. No, but seriously, 4 years is a long time. Like, honestly, it doesn't feel like it because I've been consistent with posting as I had my schedule set up, but I haven't been consistent with posting on the day that I'm supposed to at the time. Sometimes it'll be the day, but not the time. And sometimes it'll just be 2 days late. But there's a but. I like to tell myself, like, Rosetta, at least you're posting. I haven't given up. So I like to give myself credit for that. And, like, if you have been doing YouTube and you feel as though you need to take a step back, it is okay. There is nothing wrong with it. Please do not feel bad for doing it because I promise you there have been plenty of times where I thought about like just stopping and giving myself some time, but then I'm just kind of like, no, because I honestly love doing it and it actually helps me get my mind off of things a lot of the times. That's why I push myself to do it even if I am exhausted, even if I'm tired. Like, it's like 12 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm recording this because I'm sick and tired of not posting my video on time. Like, I promise you, it's 12 something right now, and I'm up and I'm doing it because I'm telling myself, if I can go to work and work for somebody else, I can come home and invest in myself and do what I need to do for my YouTube channel. So if you feel as though you have to step back, please do not feel bad, but if you have been on top of your YouTube channel and you've been consistent, I'm going to be like you someday because I just can't, but I will. And I'm so serious. I seriously will be more on top of my YouTube. But if you have been like me and you have been putting into it and you've been a little like me, still pat yourself on the back because you're trying, you're doing. There is no right or wrong way to go about it. You do YouTube how it works for you. Don't watch what anybody else is doing. Like, it's kind of hard when you see how people, you may have been doing something longer than someone else and they're already there. Guess what? It's not your time. Don't watch anybody else. I feel like I say this every year, but you know what? I never know who may need to hear this. But don't ever watch what anybody else is doing. The main focus is on you because if you are doing it for the right reasons, then everything will fall into place. And can we just talk about how expensive it can be sometimes? Like my lights. Like I watched them shorts out on me. I saw the sparks and it's just like, oh. Like over the past 4 years, I don't know how much money I spent on lights. And mind you, I brought more lights. I'm excited. I don't care that it was time anyway. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see the lights that I have just purchased. I'm just more so excited for the color, honestly. But anyway, but yes, I honestly and truly, it's been 4 years, guys. I love it. I've been enjoying doing it. If you have been watching me for the past 4 years, you've been faithful to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I love you too. Thank you for subscribing. And to my future subscribers, hello, welcome. It's me. I'm lit. My name is Rosetta and I'm the shit. Oh! Look at me. But guys, if you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time, guys, it's Friday. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's Friday. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Woo, woo. And listen, at least I be real with it. Like, I don't be cutting nothing out of my videos. Like, if I mess up, I mess up. Because I'm only human. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time. Bye.